Okay, Sammy's gonna catch a big one. Nice. Okay, the snake is swimming.
Yeah.
My wife and kids and my grandma is out here catching crawdads. So would you like to learn how to catch a crawdad? I've already caught 3 this morning, and I'm going to demonstrate how we catch them. I don't eat meat, but my family does, and they're sure fun to catch. And you just cook them like lobster. They turn red like lobster, and I guess well, I've had them in the past. They taste like lobster, taste like crab. To me, that all tastes the same.
Let our fish go?
All right, maybe we should let the fish go since the crawdads seem to have killed that guy. Yeah, we're gonna let the fish go because we're not.
It's alive and swimming pretty good.
Well, that's good. So in the end of the string, we tie a nut and some raw bacon. That's it. And you lower it down in the water, and they come and they grab it with their pincers. Is it pinchers or pincers?
Pincers.
Are you saying that as a guess?
Yeah.
All right, so you lower it down into the water, and what do? You have to see it, I guess. They grab onto it. Oh, that one guy let go. Oops, I'm moving my camera.
He learned from his mistakes.
So once they get a good hold onto it, you can just pull them up right out of the water, and you've caught them. This guy doesn't want to let go. There we go. So that's how you catch them. You just lower them down in the. Lower this right down in the water and you catch them. So we've caught 6 now. So now you know exactly how to catch a crawdad. You are a professional. I'm just gonna come close up this garage. This place is so much fun. We actually decided to extend our stay by 2 more days. So instead of leaving tomorrow, we're gonna leave 2 days after that. Okay, so we're pulling out the last batch of 5. Here's 1. Yeah, so what I really like about it is that it sticks. You don't have to have a big huge campfire with logs to be able to boil water. Wow, this is really rolling. But you can have, yeah, you can just use twigs and sticks and cook with it. So that's pretty awesome. So, what's your opinion of this little camp stove?
It's awesome. It's pretty neat.
What's your favorite part about it?
It gives heat and...
So I feel like wrapping up this video. First, thanks for watching the video to the end here. And I know I'm mixing up the style of my videos. I just want to vlog a lot more. I want to include a lot more adventures. And instead of creating the separate channel that I was thinking about doing called Let's Try It, so having Nate Woodbury be the how-tos and Let's Try It be the adventure style stuff, I just decided, you know, I'm gonna do one channel and I'm just gonna put the type of videos that I want to create there. So I'm still creating the how-to YouTube, you know, how to succeed on YouTube, how to entrepreneur type videos. But obviously, I love adventure, I love exploring, I love this place. And so I'm gonna put them all in one channel, call it Nate Woodbury. And if you've watched this far, you must have enjoyed it. So thanks a lot.